YouTubers, this is Jay, PokeCraftMaster, and today I'm just telling you more about what I'm going to be recording, and yeah, so right now I'm just giving the preview pretty much of what I'm going to be doing when I record. So when I record, I'm going to probably record Super Craft Bros. Brawl. If some people don't know, it's a game. If some of you know Super Smash Bros. Brawl, it's like that but Minecraft version. So pretty much it's just like when you get to go in a map, there's a whole bunch of maps, you pick your character you like to be, and then after you pick it, get teleported into the match after 4 players have joined. There's a lot of players. There's VIP players, which are for people that actually bought the VIP, which they get more classes and everything. And pros is pretty much the same thing, just a bit different. And so I have VIP, so I could double jump. That's another thing they could do. Double jump so they could jump pretty high. So yeah, that's Supercraft, and I'm probably going to be recording that. And also, what I probably will be recording is the survival games. The survival games is pretty much like when you're pretty much like survival when you play Minecraft, but sometimes not because you have to play with other players. You can play with your friends too, and you can like help each other out and stuff. And you have to find chests around like a big arena. There's like places to go. You find as many chests as you can, get armored, get weapons, and then try to kill people. When you kill people, then that's one less person you have to get rid of. If you kill everyone, you actually win the survival games. So that's really hard. I don't know how many times I've done it. Not very many times. But yeah, and there's like a barrier around it, the whole arena, so it's a glass barrier. For some reason, some people, like, I guess that are OP'd, broke the glass and forgot to cover it up, I guess, so some spots you could escape the map, which is pretty much a cheat. So yeah. And almost the last thing I probably will be recording is single player. I'm going to be doing single player survival with no cheats, no nothing. And survival. And after that, survival is when you're just start off with nothing, and you have to like trees to get wood from it, and you like start from scratch. And for the last is I'm making a new server. And so if you want to get my server IP, please ask me in the subscription below. But just to let you know, I might not have it up right away. So if I say it's not up yet, but when it is, I'll subscribe it, then that means I haven't made it yet. So when you ask for it and you promise not to grief or anything really mean or anything, I'll give you the server IP. And you could go on my server. So, yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for this episode about just talking about what I'm going to do. And so, yeah. I guess I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.